Antibiotics are powerful medicines. They fight bacterial infections and save lives. But antibiotics don't work against viruses like the ones found in common cold or the flu. Taking antibiotics when they aren't needed can be harmful and can lead to antibiotic resistance. Bacteria and viruses are different. They cause different types of infections. Bacteria are single-celled, living microorganisms that can survive and multiply on their own in a wide range of environments. They live everywhere, even inside our bodies. Most bacteria are harmless and some are even beneficial. Sometimes bacteria cause infection. They reproduce independently through binary fusion or splitting into two identical cells. Viruses are much smaller than bacteria. Viruses are non-living particles made of genetic material, DNA or RNA, inside a protein coat. Unlike bacteria, viruses cannot survive or multiply on their own. They require a host cell to reproduce by creating copies of themselves. Once inside a cell, the virus hijacks its machinery to replicate. Eventually, the infected cell bursts, releasing new viruses that spread the infection to other cells. Antibiotics work against bacteria in specific ways. They target what bacteria need to survive and multiply. Some antibiotics stop bacteria from building their cell walls. The cell wall serves as a protective shield for bacteria. Without it, they become vulnerable and cannot survive. Some antibiotics interfere with bacteria's ability to produce proteins, which are essential for their growth and survival. By disrupting protein production, antibiotics can kill bacteria. Why antibiotics don't work on viruses? Viruses are different from bacteria because they don't have the same structure or processes that antibiotics targets. Viruses don't have cell walls that antibiotics can attack. They use the cells in our body to replicate. This makes them difficult to target without harming our own cells. Antibiotics cannot stop viruses from replicating inside our cells. The problem of misuse and the rise of resistance. Sometimes doctors prescribe antibiotics for viral infections. This happens for a few reasons. Patients may demand antibiotics even when they aren't necessary. Additionally, doctors might prescribe antibiotics to prevent or treat secondary bacterial infections. Fighting viruses. Most viral infections like colds and flu go away on their own. Our immune system fights off the virus. Rest is important when you have a viral infection. Your body needs energy to fight off the virus. Drinking plenty of fluids is also crucial to stay hydrated. Over-the-counter medications can help relieve symptoms like fever and aches. However, they don't kill the virus. Antibiotics are essential medicines. We must use them responsibly to preserve their effectiveness. Never demand antibiotics for a viral infection, and always follow your doctor's instructions when taking antibiotics. If you find this useful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more expert insights on infection prevention. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.